One is not born a professional. One becomes one with dedication to a vision, determination to succeed, discipline to beat all odds. Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology, a premier engineering institution managed by the CMI congregation, offers excellence in engineering education. RSET draws inspiration from the legacy of the Saint Kuriakose alias Chavara. Our pioneering educational institutions have established an impeccable 2 decades of track record in imparting exceptional knowledge that knows no bounds. RSET provides a solid platform to facilitate effective discussion among the students to practice and sharpen their technical as well as non-technical skills. Moreover, students have an opportunity to be nurtured in a lush, green, spacious campus. Our institutions are equipped with the finest of tools and infrastructure required to enhance one's abilities. RSET has always promoted opportunities for multidisciplinary exploration of engineering problems. RSET follows an outcome-based education by developing course plans with objectives and outcomes. Being an autonomous institution, curriculum is so designed to plug gaps through design-based experiments, additional training other than the curriculum, which are evaluated systematically through different assessment tools. The aim of any educational institution is to prepare students for a better career. It could either be a placement or a startup or higher studies. But all of these require updated knowledge, work ethics, and professional values.
I'm Nitin Matthew from 2017-21 batch of RSET. Back in 2017, when I joined RSET, like any other new college entrant, I came here with a lot of dreams and hopes. An engineering degree from a very reputed college was seen as a ticket to get my dream job at one of the biggest MNCs in the industry. At the same time, I was also quite unsure of how things would be and honestly very skeptical on how RSET would land me in my dream company. As the classes started and months went by, I had definitely started enjoying my classes, which was a perfect blend of fun and good learning. I was quite fortunate to participate in various poster presentations, seminars, project exhibitions and workshops which helped me connect with many people and widen my horizon. RSET always gives its students the backing to improve their skills in aptitude, technology and soft skills. We have rigorous training sessions from second year onwards to equip ourselves for the placement drive. The aptitude training, technical refresher courses, personality development sessions, group discussions, mock interviews, etc. have chiseled the person I am right now. And these have definitely gone a long way in improving my self-confidence and sharpening my skill sets to face job interviews. The placement cell is also a constant source of support and encouragement for our students. Regular interactive sessions with experts from the industry are conducted so that the students remain updated with the recent trends and advancements in technology. RSET also organizes frequent interactions with senior students, which are also useful in giving us a very practical idea about the real corporate world, work culture, challenges, new market trends, etc. And it's never only about the studies. I was also a passionate sports person, and here at RSET, I was lucky to have opportunities to pursue my passion along with my curricular activities. I was part of the RSET chess team, and the memories from the tournaments, time with the team and trainer would also stay with me for a lifetime. The fully functional gym, well-maintained basketball, football courts, cricket ground, cycling and jogging tracks are at RSET are par with the international standards and ensures to nurture and promote holistic development. I still vividly remember our joyous victories and some heartbreaking failures. We all learned from these diverse experiences and discovered ways to deal with difficult situations and a variety of people. They have undoubtedly helped me to be a good team player and handle critical situations at work. I will confidently say that the 4 years I spent at RSET has transformed me to be a good professional and a confident person. I'll still hold on to the wonderful memories I had at RSET. Thank you.
My name is Reshma Reshma Arike Nambi. The best way to predict your future is to create it. I was constantly reminded by this quote by Abraham Lincoln when I was about to choose a college for my graduate studies. I was among the one among the 700-ish undergraduate students who joined Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology with the dream of a bright and colorful future. I was fortunate enough to be chosen into this prestigious institution. Me as a person, I was always focused on and interested in getting a degree from a university overseas, and Rajagiri definitely gave wings to my dreams. It was the academic environment nourished within this university and the sincere dedication of the faculty that helped me stay focused and keep working towards my goal. The role of library in research is very pivotal. So the RSET Library Alicia offers the perfect space for students to continue their exploration and seek the quest for knowledge. I started out by visiting the library as often as I could, with more than 41,000 textbooks and from foreign and Indian authors alike, and the availability of online and print journals. This library is definitely a paradise to the seekers of knowledge. RSET has always succeeded in creating interest and an academic environment that promote the ability to research and think among the students. So I was always, right from my first year, I was involved in a lot of poster presentations, technical quizzes, and other brain-stimulating activities that actually hone the technical skills of the student. The design project, the mini project, and finally the main project in the BTech curriculum, all of them were my stepping stones to focus on my decision to pursue my master's degree from overseas. So the laboratory facilities provided by this college was another striking feature. The reason for many of the students being able to complete excellent projects can be accredited to the state-of-the-art facilities and technology provided by the Rajagiri laboratories. Worth mentioning amongst them, High Performance Laboratory, or also known as the HPC Lab, a cloud computing lab, and another Fab Lab. And as students, we were all exposed to the possibilities that these labs could offer in the form of workshops conducted exclusively for us. And many of my peers, they completed their projects by making use of this opportunity. As part of the efforts to bring greater collaboration between industry and academia, the Teague Center for Smart City Technologies has been set up to develop the ability of students to innovate based on the principle of learning by doing. So housed in an area of almost 4,000 square feet, this center has, you cannot imagine, 3D printers, CNC routers, laser cutters, and electronics and softwares that actually help the students to convert their ideas into prototypes in a space that they call their own. How cool is that? Mentors from within the university and facilities from the faculties from the center and domain experts from the industry, all of them work together alongside the students to help them achieve this goal. In addition to all these, RSET also offers training sessions and coaching classes to better facilitate your higher education dreams come true. The placement cell at Rajagiri, for example, apart from doing an amazing job trying to get us placed, they also offer coaching classes for GRE and GATE, which will eventually help us in pursuing the higher education dreams. So RSET, with its collaborations with the international universities like those in UK, Germany, Malaysia, Japan, Australia, and New Zealand, offers many opportunities for student exchange programs and student internships. And I can definitely vouch for that in the sense that I live in Australia, and a couple of years ago I met my lovely juniors from Rajagiri here in Australia when they came over to pursue a student internship at the university here. For study abroad aspirants, Rajagiri organizes international educational fairs, which benefits us as we are able to receive information from the university representatives directly and gives a deeper insight to our study preferences. With the rise in the number of students pursuing civil service examinations, Rajagiri also offers coaching classes for such exams as well. Today, I consider myself extremely lucky to have chosen RSET all those 4 years ago. 4 years spending at this university has transformed me both professionally and personally, and it was indeed a turning point in my life. And today, I really hope that this great institution is able to help many more students like you achieve their dreams and make them come true as well. Thank you.
Along with the age of information and digitalization, we are in the midst of an entrepreneurial wave. Entrepreneurship, in simple words, is the willingness to start a new business. And an entrepreneur is an individual who creates a new business, bearing most of the risks and enjoying most of the benefits. Young entrepreneurs ideated and developed the most commonly known household brand names that we hear today. Well, young people, think about Steve Jobs, Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates. Also, who from India and beyond doesn't know Ambani, Narayana Murthy and Shiv Nadar? And again, of course, from our God's own country, we have Sunny Varki, Ravi Pillai and the Yusuf Ali. Education cannot exist in vacuum, and it has to reflect the changes that take place in the society, the industry and the market. RSET through IEDC, the Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center, aims to train and develop entrepreneurs. Here, IEDC, through its carefully curated and constructed ecosystem, will nurture, develop and hone your entrepreneurial mindset. In other words, it will teach you how to think like an entrepreneur. RSET IEDC is a pre-incubation center for those students who aim to start and operate a new business venture, a startup. We also offer our support even after the startup has been set up. Rajagiri's Incubation Center, also known as the Center for Social Innovation and Incubation, supports building a self-sustainable as well as profitable business. Students are continually motivated and encouraged from the very first year, a strategy that paid rich dividends. Let the data speak for itself. IEDC provides a platform for students to pitch their innovative ideas and helps them get their funding. For the record, funds exceeding 25 lakhs have been granted to over 10 ideas since 2016. Now obviously, these ideas that receive funding have seen the light of the day and has the highest chances of getting developed into a product and even into a startup. Interested in entrepreneurship and startups? Yes? Then RSET is really the best place to be.
RSET has been working closely with many professional bodies like IEEE, CSI, ISTE, ASME, etc. RSET has always played a role of pioneering spirit of adventure both technically and academically. IEEE student branch of RSET, which is world's third largest, paves a new way for ideas and experiences in the ever-changing technical world. National Service Scheme at RSET has always stood up to its strong spirit of serving people, keeping in mind the policy of not me but you. NSS unit of RSET has always given the volunteers a platform to serve the society and bring happiness and smile on many faces. Opportunities for learning, growing and achieving exist everywhere in our campus. Life at RSET is a blend of academics, extracurricular and co-curricular activities. Strong student clubs and cell activities give students an opportunity to pursue hobbies of their interest. In addition, activities such as cultural programs, student fest, festival, national celebrations and inter-college events make life at RSET truly colorful, enriching and enjoyable. The world is full of wonderful opportunities, and the only thing that stands between you and your dream is the will to try and the belief that it is possible. Stay focused, go after your dreams and keep moving towards your goal.